How to check Instagram call history. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your Instagram call history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. You can check that by going to the App Store and simply searching for Insta, and if you do not see a update button, it's up to date. After you're on your Insta, you can just head over to any chat to check out the call, if you have received a call or not. Now if you have done the call, you'll also be able to see that as well. After you do that, if you want to see all of your Instagram call history in a single place, what you can actually do is you will not be able to just find it in your Instagram. If you're on Android, you'll get a call button right here that is of a camera icon. If you tap on that, you should get all of your recent calls. But if you're on iPhone, you can simply head over to your phone's app where you will be able to see all of your calls right here. So as you can see recent calls, including your Instagram calls, in your phone app itself. And that is how you can check your Instagram call history. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.